Wherever you are right now, take a second to settle in. Get cozy. Let your body melt into this moment. No pressure, no expectations. You're safe here. You're allowed to just be. Let's take a few breaths together. Inhale deep through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale. Exhale and let go. Last one. Deep breath in. And a full releasing breath out. Let your breath find its own rhythm now. You're doing great. Start at the top of your head. Soften your scalp, your jaw. Drop your shoulders away from your ears. Unclench your hands. Let your legs get heavy. You don't need to carry anything right now. There is nothing you have to fix in this moment. Just be here, and that's enough. Now, I want you to picture yourself standing at the start of a beautiful path. Maybe it's a forest trail, glowing softly with golden light. Maybe it's a dreamlike space with stars lighting your way. Whatever you imagine is perfect. It's your place. At the end of the path is a door. Not just any door. Your magic door. The moment you see it, something inside you says, "This is for me." Start walking towards it. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Solid, steady, safe. The air feels calm. You feel steady. You are walking towards something good, something healing. And even if you don't know exactly what's waiting, you know it's meant for you. This door only appears when you're ready. And guess what? You are. Even if you doubted yourself, even if life's felt messy, you've grown, you've risen, you've kept going. You're showing up for yourself right now. That says more than you know. You're standing in front of the door. Notice what it looks like. Is it carved with symbols? Glowing with light? Maybe it looks simple, but powerful. Let it show up however it wants. It's your door. Take a breath. Place your hand on the handle. And know this. What's waiting on the other side is a part of you that's been waiting to be remembered. It's strength, it's clarity, it's a little bit of magic, and it's yours. Go ahead and open the door. As you step inside, take it all in. What do you see? What do you feel? This space holds something your soul has been calling in. Maybe you see a future version of yourself, the one who's healed, thriving, glowing. Maybe you see a room filled with peace, or a light so powerful it warms your whole body. Whatever it is, let it hold you. Let it speak to you. This is your reminder. You're not broken, you're becoming. You're not lost, you're aligning. You are not behind. You are exactly on time. You are growing in ways you can't always see, but I promise it's happening. Take a moment to be still in this space. Let the energy of it sink in. Ask, what does my soul want me to know right now? Maybe a word or phrase comes to mind. Maybe it's just a feeling, peace, clarity, courage. Whatever it is, let it anchor into your heart. Now imagine yourself releasing whatever's been holding you back. Fear, doubt, comparison, old stories, they don't belong here. Visualize placing them in a box or letting them dissolve into the air. They don't define you. They never did. But here's what does: your resilience, your softness, your ability to start again and again. You are powerful because you feel. You are worthy as you are. You don't have to hustle for your healing. You just have to allow it. You are becoming the version of you that you used to only dream about. And they're so proud of you. I'm proud of you. If there's a message your higher self wants to leave with you, let it come forward now. It could sound like, trust the process. You already have everything you need inside of you. You are safe to receive what's meant for you. It's okay to take up space. You were made for it. Let these words settle in. Let them become part of you. When you're ready, slowly turn towards the door again. But this time, you're leaving with something. A knowing, a strength, a softness, a truth. You can always return here. This space lives inside you. The magic was never behind the door. It's you. It always has been. Step through the door and gently return to your body. Feel the air on your skin, the surface beneath you. Take a slow breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Roll your shoulders if you need to. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You're back, lighter, stronger, and a little more you. Carry this feeling with you today. You've got this. You always have. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye, my loves.